We understand the importance of a healthy credit score. That's why we're excited to introduce our free ebook, Unlocking the Secrets to Credit Rehab, your step-by-step guide to taking control of your financial future. This ebook is designed to empower you with the knowledge and tools to reclaim your credit health. First, we dive into your credit quality of life, because your credit isn't just a number. It affects your financial freedom, peace of mind, and even your dreams. Next, learn about your role in the credit system. Understand how your actions influence your credit profile and how you can make the system work for you. In your Credit Score Secrets Revealed, we break down the hidden factors affecting your score. It's not as mysterious as you might think. Do you know how to read your credit report? In reading your credit report, we show you exactly how to interpret your credit history and spot key information. In How Credit Repair Really Works, we debunk common myths and explain proven methods to fix your credit the right way. Got inaccurate accounts? We cover disputing inaccurate accounts and give you the power to challenge errors on your report. Advanced Credit Disputing takes you deeper into techniques for persistent and successful credit challenges. And finally, we introduce you to Easy Street, the practical steps that make staying on top of your credit simple and stress-free. Download your free ebook, Unlocking the Secrets to Credit Rehab, and start transforming your credit life right now.